Hi everyone, today I am going to show you how to make peanut sauce. We'll see the ingredients. We'll see what are the ingredients need for that. First we need 100 grams of peanuts, roasted peanuts, and 1 teaspoon of chopped ginger, 1 teaspoon of chopped garlic, 2 tablespoons of soya sauce, 1 tablespoon of onion, chopped onion, and 4 tablespoons of margarine, and half glass of chicken stock. Any stock you can take, or water also you can add. 1 teaspoon of corn flour we need, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of ajinomoto. These are the things we need to make peanut sauce. We'll see how to make that. First of all, we need to grind this and take. This is roasted peanut. Now we'll grind the peanuts. This is my grinded peanuts. We'll see how to make that. First keep a pan on the cooker and turn on and add the margarine. Before we on the cooker, we must add some ingredients to this stock. First we must add the peanuts. We must mix it well without keeping lumps. And add the salt, sugar, one teaspoon of ajinomoto, and 1 teaspoon of corn flour. Mix all the ingredients. Mix all the ingredients like this. Yeah, I mix it well. Now keep a pan on the fire and we'll on the cooker. We'll add the margarine to this. We'll add the chopped garlic, chopped ginger, and chopped onion also. Heat this until brown. We like this. Yeah, it is okay now. And it will golden brown. You see. Now we'll add the stock. And add 2 tablespoons of soya sauce. Cook for few minutes. Here, now this one is okay. You check the taste. If anything not enough salt or sweetness or not enough, you add. This is the measurement for this 100 grams of peanut. Now we lock the cooker. This is my peanut sauce. You also make and taste and see. Thank you for watching. These are mostly using for nasi goreng and all. I will put that also from another video. Okay, see you.